Hello, my name is Abhinav Vadapalli. Today I am going to give a brief information on what is science. What is science? Science is a way of organizing that what we already know and learning more by experience and experiments. Scientists use specific methods to learn about the world. A good scientist learns about the steps of the scientific methods are the gathering information, test with an experiment, write down results, report the results. You can try some of the scientific methods yourself. Now I'll explain about one experiment. Bubbles can be fun to play outdoors, but does it seems like they just don't last for very long. With a little chemistry on your side, you can mix up a solution that lets you make some amazingly huge and durable bubbles. Ones that like to linger. Experiment with the shape and size of bubbles as you design on your own vans. Make colorful bubble shape and try to blow giant bubbles. 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of dish soap, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir the mixture truly and store for at least an hour in a covered container. When you are ready to use the solution, gently swirl the container in case the ingredients have separated. Now it's time to design your own bubble van. Be creative, bend a pipe cleaner into a closed shape so that the two ends meet with at least in an inch to spare on each end. Use a second. Or a second and third twisted together. To serve as a handle, twist the ends of your shape pipe cleaner to the end of your handle pipe cleaners. Now you have your basic bubble van. Dip the van in the container, holding the bubble solution for a few seconds, and then lift it out and blow on it. How big can you go? Experiment by making a giant bubble van. Use cotton yarn to make 2 braids on that measures 18-inch long and another that measures 36-inch. Tape one end of the long braid to the end of the dowel and tape the other end to the other dowel. Tape the shorter braid in the same way in the same ends of the dowel. Both braids should form a loop with a shorter braid at the top and the longer braid at the bottom. Dip the van into the bubble mix and let the yarn soak in plenty of solution. Lift the van and slowly move it around and create a huge bubbles. Now what are you waiting for? Try yourself. Have a good day. Thank you.